going to need to know about the statement on subprime lending, and you're going to need to know about what is the definition of predatory lending. Predatory lending means taking advantage of ill-informed consumers. When people come to you for a mortgage, they assume that you're going to do what's in their best interest. When the whole mortgage meltdown happened, there was a lot of unscrupulous mortgage loan originators, and they would take advantage of people because maybe English wasn't their first language, or maybe they were elderly, and they knew that they didn't understand. And these were types of loans where they took advantage of these ill-informed consumers. They would charge them excessive fees and points, or misrepresent loan terms, things of that nature, or putting them into loans that wasn't even for their best benefit. So predatory lending involves targeting borrowers with little or no knowledge or defense against these types of practices. Again, the statement on subprime lending. There's a statement that was put out, and you're going to need to know what the statement on subprime lending defines as predatory lending. And it's these three things: making loans based predominantly on the foreclosure or liquidation value of the property instead of the borrower's ability to repay the loan. Meaning they just gave them a loan because they had equity in the property, not so much because they qualified. Also, inducing a borrower to repeatedly refinance just so you can charge fees. That's considered predatory. Or engaging in fraud or deception just to make sure that they qualify for the loan. All of those things are considered predatory lending and should be avoided.